Just going to look at this IGCSE transformations question. So we've had 3 different transformations have occurred to the sine graph. We'll look at the best order to do them in. I'm just going to draw the original sine graph, so I'll have something to compare it to. Put that point in the wrong place. Now on the right, there is a list of the order you should look at the transformations, but before I do that, I always see like where the middle of my graph is. So can you kind of see with this transformed graph over here? I just can see that's the middle. I just find that useful, so I can see it has, although I'm not going to look at the vertical translation until the end, I can see it has gone up 1. But the first thing we need to look at is the horizontal left or right. Yes, you can see the graph has moved because the tip is at 45 degrees for your transformed graph. So we've gone left 1. So the B there is plus 45 because we've gone left 1. Next thing would be a squash, but the graph hasn't been squashed. It has been number 3, stretched. Now, just got to be a bit careful here because we did look at the idea of it going up 1, but before that, the stretch has taken place. So this stretch would have to have gone to kind of this point here, if that makes sense. I'm just looking at that point in particular. So the tip would be at 3, and we'd have minus 3 here. So it would be something like this. Before it then, sorry, I've only drawn part of it. And then, so that would be 3. Because 1 times 3 is 3. Then we look at reflection, well, it hasn't reflected in the x or the y-axis. And then lastly, we've gone up 1 to this bit here. So plus 1. So kind of that order you really need to memorise.